Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer wholesale orders into Shopify with Skubana, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Skubana account. Navigate to the orders section in the main dashboard. Locate the wholesale orders you wish to transfer. Select the specific orders by checking the boxes next to them. Click on the Export button at the top of the orders list. Choose the option for Shopify from the drop-down menu. Confirm the export settings according to your preferences. After a brief processing period, download the exported file to your computer. Next, log into your Shopify account. Go to the Products section in the Shopify admin panel. Click on Import located at the top right corner. Upload the file you just downloaded from Skubana. Map the columns in your file to the corresponding Shopify fields. Review the mapping to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Click the Import button to begin the transfer process. Monitor the import progress in the Shopify admin. Once completed, check your product listings to verify the import. Make necessary adjustments to product details as needed. This process will successfully transfer your wholesale orders into Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.